Hey YouTube. Let's learn Skipping Tiles by the band Julie. I think they were using detuned guitars, but I'm just going to show you on standard tuning, and probably you could play it with power chords. E flat at the 6th fret, A string root, to C at the 3rd fret. That's the intro. And then when they go into the verse, they go B flat, G, 1, 3, and then they go. That's B flat, E flat, C, and there's a couple walk downs in there where they're going like G sharp to F sharp. So 4, 3, 2. I think at one point they go on the A string root. So those are the main parts of the song that I remember. All right, but because they're using detuned guitars, I think they're probably using playing in C sharp, which is difficult. If you just detune your guitar, you gotta usually use heavier strings if you want to play C sharp, because there's not enough string tension on these regular strings. Okay, thanks for that request. I hope this helps. Bye bye.